Let's talk composition. In this example, I've picked up some font sizes from the modular scale and created some basic primitives based on those sizes. So I have the body copy, small text, H1 to H3, and then a page title primitive that composes multiple primitives and styles into a single one. So we can look at the body copy, and here we have the font, the color from the palette, and then the font weight. And then H1, for example, inherits from body copy, has a scale step of 5, and then an overwrite for the heading of 1. So H2 the same, that's scale step 4 and scale step 2, and that just represents where these items are in the module scale. To get to composition, so we have inheritance here with the body copy, but if we want composition, we can have multiple primitives. So this one, for example, is called heading primary. It just uses the primary color and a font weight of 700, which is then applied in combination with H1 to page title. So now we have everything combined into one semantic primitive that you can use in your layout. And of course, you can add custom overrides on top of the composition if you need so. There's no limit to how many you can combine here. So we can add multiple, and then controlling the order will control the priority of the properties for each one. And then we can also remove it. So this means that since everything is connected now and is inherited from body copy, it means I can also change the font and everything else updates. And if I go to the typographic scale settings, if I do change the base font size and the base leading, that means everything else inherits those values and is scaled appropriately, and that also includes white space, since everything is derived from the typographic scale formula. So if I discard the changes here and here, and I take a look at the output, so we go to the browser and we can see that page title is now a single class with all the properties combined into one. And then in the actual layout, when we use that primitive, we can see that class is being used and referenced from the primitives file. So that is inheritance and composition in Genstyl. Thanks for watching.